On the 21st of April. I want you guys to remember a very important date. There are two important dates. Well, there are many important dates in Bitcoin, but this is also a very important lesson. The first important date, the first important date is May 22nd, right? That's Bitcoin Pizza Day, when the first transaction in Bitcoin happened. And the pizza was bought using Bitcoin. But I also want you to remember yesterday, we were not live yesterday, so it totally escaped my mind. But yesterday, I want you guys to remember this, okay? This is April 20th is Doji Day. Very important. Yesterday is Doji Day. Okay, so on Doji Day, what happened was it was supposed to go to 69 cents. In fact, I think the guys in the group, and they're mostly on the Wall Street Bets, you can go to the subreddit there, have already targeted even $1 for Doji, right? There's even a date for Doji, which we will discuss next week. But I want you to show something. It was supposed to go to 69 cents. Doji is all about having fun, just investing and pushing it to show that the small guys, which is us, can, if we work as a team, can do even better than the big guys, and pushing this thing to the moon or to wherever it wants to go is something that I think is really, really cool, because I take it as a mission, so I think this is really, really cool. But I also want to show you some of the realities about crypto, and here it is. Yeah, Doji Army, yeah. What happened to the Doji Army? Because this is the same thing that happened to the XRP Army last time, okay, when they first tried it. Look, it went down. It was supposed to go to 69. It was up, and then it went down yesterday. Whoa, 42 all the way to 27. Now it's at 30. Because here's the deal, guys. If many people know, you're about to buy something, guess what? This is crypto, guys. Let's be real here, okay? Let's be real here. This is crypto with real money on the line. Hence, what happened here was that a lot of sellers were here, right? And the sellers just sold. This is why sometimes in the crypto world, you don't want to be telling so many people you're going to do it, because the sellers will just be waiting for you. They'll be waiting for you, and then they will sell you their bags, okay? I mean, they will greatly sell you their bags. So look what happened here, okay? Now, I think this is eventually going to succeed like XRP, but it has to be more under cloak and dagger, okay? More under cloak and dagger. There has to be good news around it, like what was surrounding the XRP Army's rise, was that they might not win the case, but they might be able to settle the case with the US SEC. So that's a different story altogether. But before that, let's go and take a look at Bitcoin. What happened to Bitcoin? So we saw it going down, whoa, down here all the way to 51. It tried to rebound, but look at here, guys. This is what I am looking at. It is below the 50 moving average, okay? So it tried to come up here. Yesterday, it kind of closed up here, and now we are wondering, is it going to close below here? That could be a structural break, or is it going to close above here, okay? So Bitcoin really looks precarious, but that's on the one hand, technically at least. But you must also understand what's going on fundamentally. Why? Why can't it go up? Why can't it go up? Why can't it go up? It goes up, it gets sold. It goes up, it gets sold. I will tell you why here. So just go to Cointelegraph and you look at that. Institutional XRP inflow surge as AUM nearly doubles because they think XRP might be able to settle the case. It doesn't mean they're innocent. It just means they will be able to settle the case, and the trading may continue. There are a lot of scams, so be careful. But look here. Bitcoin bears have a 340 million lead heading into Friday's BTC options expiry. So this is what happens, okay? Friday, last Friday of the month, okay? We've been this many times. There is options expiry on Friday. So now if Bitcoin closes above a certain level, certain number of options are going to be rendered worthless. Do you like that? Do you think people like that? No. So there is interest now not to let Bitcoin go up. Okay, so yeah, we heard about 9,000 BTC deposit at Binance, 51,200 low, coal mining accident in China because of the hash rate. But let's look at what's happening now. So a lot of people were buying options thinking it would go higher than 64,900. Of course, those options are now worthless, totally worthless. So look at here, the number of contracts set to expire on April 23rd totals 27,000 BTC or 1.55 billion, okay? Wow, 1.55 billion, and just go down here again. So they're kind of even, okay? So open interest here favors the bears. I mean, they still have their positions open. Hence, the expiries between 50,000, 57,000 and 64 are reasonably balanced. Look at that. That means, what this means at this is simple. If it goes above 57,000, the bears want to push it down. I mean, this, don't talk about this. This is already worthless. This is gone. This is finished. That's it. Okay, sayonara. Goodbye. Don't even think about it. But look at that, right? Look at that. Look at that. Okay, 57,000. It is going to be hard for BTC to go above that, if it wants to go above that at all. Okay, so that explains the struggle. We should have a clearer picture tomorrow or towards Friday. Okay, but not only that, I think we have to look at another thing now. Let's look at Ethereum. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, let's look at Ethereum. And we're going to look at three things beginning from today. Okay, there's one more thing we want to look at. Ethereum has a different structure. Okay, I'm going to show you the structure for Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin structure is not good, right? I mean, look at this again. Okay, it's broken the 50 moving average. It hasn't broken the 100 moving average. Okay, fine, ascending triangle, that's fine. Look at Ethereum now. Ethereum has smashed through that ascending triangle, but let me put this in terms of daily chart so that you might be able to see it clearer. Yeah, that's Ethereum now. So look at Ethereum. This is good. Pattern is nice, right? Broken through this ascending triangle, come down, flipping resistance to support, go up, go down again, retest this level again. So this is good. Ethereum looks technically sound so far because look, it has tested this level again near 2000 and it is still above this 50 MA. So it looks very nice. It looks prime for rebound. Okay, so what is really pushing Ethereum? Why does Ethereum here have a better structure than Bitcoin? Okay, look at it. Structurally, it looks very, very good. This is the best of all, right? Look at that. It comes here to support. It then turns around at the 50 moving average. That's really, really cool. That's really, really cool. Hey, how are you guys? How are you guys? Okay, so I kind of like what's going on in Ethereum now. And let's see what is going on the other coin that we want to see. And the other coin is Coinbase. Look at that. So there's been a lot of not so good news about Coinbase, that the insiders sold their share. I don't see the problem with insiders selling their share because this is a direct listing. They sell their shares to you so that you can get in, you know. It's not going through merchant banks and all that. And the thing is, this is the largest listing on the NASDAQ. That's one. This is the largest listing on the NASDAQ. Next, I want to tell you that I just saw CNBC just now, the largest first trade ever on the NASDAQ. So excellent coin. I think Coinbase is a barometer of Bitcoin. So it's going to go up depending on Bitcoin. Well, Coinbase depends on Bitcoin. So if you think Bitcoin is going to go up, or there is a seasonally up into Bitcoin, and I told you when, right? Then Coinbase should follow. I think Coinbase will follow Bitcoin just like the NASDAQ. Oh my God, the NASDAQ seems to be following Bitcoin, right? So what's happening with Ethereum now? Look at that. Look at what's happening with Ethereum here. Oh, Canada. Canada has approved 3 Ethereum ETFs last week. Look at that. Purpose Investment, CI Global Asset Management, Evolve ETFs. So Canada has so many Ethereum ETFs. This is not like Grayscale, okay? This is pure Ethereum, and they have Ethereum. So they invest directly in Ethereum. Grayscale is more of a trust. It can go up and down, up and down the Ethereum price. It can go below the Ethereum price, which you want to buy, right? Because trust can do that. But this is a pure ETF, right? Okay, CI Galaxy. Well, Galaxy, you know who Galaxy is. Galaxy Digital, Mark Novogratz. So it looks like they're going to Canada. And in US, there are already, what, 9 ETF applications stuck. Just imagine if these 9 are approved, or 1 or 2 are approved. Bitcoin is going to go way, way, way up, because that's what happened to gold in 2004, right? GLD. So where is Bitcoin going? Because some of you are saying, okay, coin. You don't need to buy Bitcoin. Now, actually, as to me, as a proxy, you can even buy coin. You can even buy coin. Yeah, David is bullish, right? David is bullish on XRP. Yeah, XRP looks very bullish now. Now look at this. What's happening to Bitcoin? Is it all over? Is there going to be another run? Well, let's look at history, guys. We got to look at history. Okay, this is the Pew ratio, the Pew multiple, okay? It basically measures the hodlers. Who is hodling? Because if the hodlers aren't hodling, like me, if the hodlers like me aren't hodling, and we're ready to sell, it's bad, right? But if they're hodling, it's okay. So let me take you through another journey, okay? Let me take you, because you guys need to understand this. Where are we now? Look, this was during the peak. Look here. This is the peak of 2018. This is 2014. I don't know. I wasn't born yet here. I was still in mother's womb here. I don't know, man. I don't know. But look at this. We are not here yet. Not there yet. I want you to look at this part. Look at this. This is where we are now, the pool ratio. Puel, is that? I don't know how to pronounce this, man. I hope Mr. Puel isn't angry at me. I think we're somewhere here. You see that? I think we're somewhere here. Can you see that? Up, down, up, down. Of course, it started to go up again, and then it went down, right? So I think we're here. So obviously from here, if just using this alone, you would say there is another run going forward. Of course, we don't know when, but this is what this ratio shows, and this is, it's been pretty accurate. But if we see the Pew ratio, up here, what do we do, guys? What do we do? Then we tell ourselves maybe it is the end. Doesn't mean you can't make money. You still can make money from the altcoins, right? You can still make money from the altcoins, but who knows? Whoa! So NFTs are lit again. Yeah, baseball is good, right? Because baseball now has under wax tops. Tops baseball is good, right? Tops baseball is good. Yeah, you have to buy it in the cycle going into, I don't know, what is it? I'll tell you in the secret group, and then you can decide for yourselves, okay? So, yeah, NFTs were definitely lit up yesterday, right? So the thing is that things are looking good. So we are going into NFTs now, finally. What is happening on NFTs? Yeah, baseball was released yesterday. So the thing is this, okay? Everyone is now basically getting their war chest ready, right? So that was tops, right, V-Roy? So Roy, yeah, that was right. V-Roy said 100 million in sales yesterday, more than NBA Top Shot. Yeah, Barcelona token is on sale in Binance also. I will have my opinions on that in the secret group. Okay, there's a lot of things you guys are asking. Don't worry, I shall handle that. But look at that. So Roy said something very important, right? Because look, baseball, the baseball card was 111 million in sales, more than NBA Top Shot. And look how, guys, look how NBA Top Shot, Dapper Labs is now retaliating, right? They are raising more funds even, okay? 7.5 billion valuation. And it's really, really weird. I think this is really, really good because look at this. Dapper Labs announced just 3 weeks ago, 305 million funding at 2.6 billion valuation. Now, more funding is being discussed at 7.5 billion. So this is good because we have 3, actually. I'm going to show. This is one of them. And then Roy said something, right? Tops is another one of them. But look at this. They are retaliating, guys, and eye-popping 7.5 billion. That's a lot. Why does the startup need so much money? Again, this is potential, right? More NFT deals with big sports franchises. So we know now the secret is out on baseball, right? Will the next one be football? Will the next one be hockey? Okay, and to get the money in the bank while the hype is still significant. Yes, well, there's hype. You better do a lot of capital raising, okay? That's the best time to do it. NBA Top Shot did almost 136 million in sales during the last 30 days, but that's then less than half of the previous months. So I'm not really surprised that now that, you know, because there's so many, because, you know, you can't have everything for yourself, right? There's a lot of baseball guys too. Maybe the basketball guys were also baseball fans and buying the baseball cards, right? So in some ways, they are a victim of their own success, right? So this is great, guys. This is great. We love all this competition. And of course, Dapper uses the Flow blockchain. So this will also actually benefit Flow. But there are also other NFTs that are really coming up now, which I think is good. Is good for the entire ecosystem. Look at this. I'm going to show you something here. MasterCard, UBS, JP Morgan pour 65 million into Ethereum startup studio Consensus. So Consensus is actually working with the companies to set up blockchain for the companies. You understand that? To set up blockchain for the companies. I mean, this is just superb. Okay, this is just superb because they are setting up blockchain for the companies. As I said, that I've always expected that the blockchain for the companies is going to be very big, right? I think that's the next big thing in actually a blockchain and all that. Now, wouldn't it be good if you guys were using a Consensus application, or you guys were using something that might be listed that is owned by Consensus? Do you know what it is? Do you guys know what it is? What are you guys using? Could you guys be using something that is from Consensus? Because if you are, I want to tell you something. How are you positioning for an airdrop, right? There could be an airdrop, or there could be an IDO. We can't do anything if there's an IDO, but what if there's an airdrop? Now, do you know what is Consensus doing? Let's help all our friends, guys. Let's help all our friends. What is Consensus developing? Are you guys already using that? Could you guys be doing the right thing to position yourself for an airdrop, right? Like Uniswap, last time you used Uniswap, you swapped it, and you got an airdrop. So Consensus, what is Consensus doing that could give us an airdrop? Can you please answer? Because this, I need you guys to answer before we go on to the next section so that you guys realized it, okay? What is the application that is developed by Consensus that you guys could be using or should be using or are already using and don't even realize it? I'm going to give you a tip. When you open this application, you are always angry. You always complain here, complain there, like Malaysian lah, everything complain. Like this also complain, like that also complain. Sometimes don't complain lah. Sometimes we also don't complain, but we complain. No, Putih dulu, it is not TikTok. TikTok, I gotta go like this, right? No. What else? But that's a good one. Yeah, everyone has TikTok. Great, man. You guys have TikTok. That is great. What else? Facebook? No. What is it, guys? What is Consensus doing? What is Consensus doing that you guys should be positioning more for an airdrop for the potential? I don't know if it's going to happen, but definitely potentially, because I see money coming here, guys. Look, I see money coming here, and when money comes in, they want money to come out, right? So there is going to be a listing. There has to be monetization. So can you tell me what is the potential? What is the applications that you guys might be using that you don't even know? Because if you know what this application is that you guys might be using, then maybe you can focus here and do the things that could potentially give you an airdrop. Right, Julie has it right, guys. It's the applications you guys hate every day. The most hated application by you guys, right? MetaMask, guys. Consensus develops MetaMask, okay? Consensus develops MetaMask, so that's why we have to use MetaMask. And maybe we should do things that will allow MetaMask to give us tokens if MetaMask is floated. I don't see why not, because what other wallets got listed last week, guys? Exodus, right? Exodus is another wallet. It's got listed. It got listed, but it didn't give an airdrop, but it got listed. Hey, and you have to do it within the Exodus. And I don't see why. I don't see why MetaMask cannot be listed, okay? So that is consensus for you. And let's go. What else is consensus doing? Look at this, guys. Not there, not there, not there, not there. Not there. Definitely not there. Let me see. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Here, look at this. Consensus launches a more energy efficient NFT ecosystem with a project from artist Damien Hirst, right? So look at that. So they are on Ethereum, right? They are actually now a competitor to Dapper Labs, right? So there's a lot of blockchain products to emerge in recent months. The promise, the benefits of Ethereum with greater speed, lower cost, lower energy usage. Look at this, that most notably Dapper Labs Flow, which powers NBA Top Shot. So new layer 2 entrant called Consensus called Palm. Layer 2 means it's faster than Ethereum, right? You guys hate Ethereum, right? Because it's so expensive. What can you do on Ethereum? You don't even want to buy NFTs on Ethereum, okay? So as a side chain from Ethereum's main network, but will support it, will be supported via its popular crypto wallet, MetaMask. Isn't that cool? MetaMask does not want to leave you. You don't like MetaMask. MetaMask likes you. MetaMask likes you guys. Okay, MetaMask still likes you guys. And look at this. The team behind Palm says that ecosystem is 99% more energy efficient. Yeah, because now even for Bitcoin, there's a case, right? There's like dirty energy Bitcoin. People do not want to do that. And look at this. Palm benefits from interconnectedness with the Ethereum community, developers and industries partnerships, including Nifty. So, look at this, guys. This is what I like. I like this, okay? When this was announced, Dapper Labs raised 305 million. This was at a 2.6B valuation, right? Now, Dapper Labs is 7.5 billion. And I just love it that when we have this, guess what, right? Guess what? And I'm sure Consensus will do something. Consensus is going to do something. Not only is Dapper Labs here, we have here Palm. And I hope Palm does something, because this one will what? This one will increase the value of our holdings if we are invested in that. And the other one that Roy pointed out was Tops, right? So Tops has something on, how do I spell it? Did I spell it right? Tops has something on Major League Baseball. Look at that. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Tops, MLB. Look at that, guys. Tops is a baseball card. $4.99 only. Look at that. Look at that. It is a baseball card. I mean, seriously. So you guys, if you guys missed it, you can guys buy it. I mean, this is awesome, guys. This has just started. Okay, so Major League Baseball is here. So now you're asking, hey, what is the next one for this, right? For Dapper Labs now. Now, they are also partnering with this artist called Damien Hirst. He's a British artist. Look at that. Look at his drawing. Look at that. That is the diamond skull. The diamond skull, Hearst London Gallery. It sells for 100 million because you have the diamonds. Yeah, it's probably for the diamonds and the skull. 35-year-old 18th century European man. I mean, who can that be? Who can that be? And he has original teeth. Oh my God, that's so awesome. Can you ask him how he maintained his teeth? That's kind of cool, okay? Pink diamond worth more than 4 million pounds. Yeah, it has a pink diamond in the center. It is not easy to get a pink diamond, right? It's not easy to get a pink diamond. And he still owns a share of it. Hey, is this like what? Is this like an NFT? He still has a share of it and he still gets money even after it's been sold. Now, Damien Hirst also did this. If you guys didn't realize it, do we have it here? Oh, no, we don't have it here. Yeah, here, look at that. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Largest Hearst pill cabinet ever shown in the US. Like, look at that pill cabinet. Look at that pill cabinet. And this is what Damien Hirst is famous for. So here is what we have, guys. I want to ask you a question before we go. Which is it going to be? Is it going to be Flow? Is it going to be Palm? Is it going to be Tops? Who is going to rule the NFT world, guys? Well, Boson also did a very big raise, right? So maybe them, I don't know. But who's the king of NFTs really? Who, in your opinion, is the king of NFTs? And I will give you my opinion. Who is it? Well, Palm. John says Palm. C.H. Chen says Palm. So who is the number one here, guys? Who is the king of NFTs? Who is the real king of NFTs? Who is the real king of NFTs? Good. We have Tops, we have Flow. Wow, we have Flow. Now, let me tell you my opinion. In my humble opinion, and it's a very humble opinion, you guys are wrong. Everyone is wrong. Do you know who the king of NFTs is, guys? Who is the king of NFTs? Or it can be queen also, depending. Okay, the king has to wear like this, right? The king better wear like this. Who is the no? The king of NFTs, guys, is you. Yes, it is you. Because you know why? By using all these tools, and there are a lot of NFT tools, you now have a chance to change your life. And this is what I want to show you. SF Lee, it is not Flow, it is you. Because with NFTs, look, guys, instead of going out and buying a physical house, I'm sure you guys are happy with your current house, right? Why buy another one? You can buy a house in Decentraland, right? You can buy a house in Decentraland. And if something happens to you, if you do give the keys to your children, they can get possession of the house, right, guys? Guys, have you ever been to court to resolve an issue regarding property? Because I've been, you know how long that takes. Hello, like forever. You don't have that issue here, and this can be easily converted into money. And one more, with NFTs, as we showed, right? What can you be? You can even market yourself, right? You can be the king here. You can be King Anton, no problem. Anton, are you King Anton the second or the third? Okay, King Anton the second. King Anton the second, it doesn't matter. You can have a personality like Pute here said in TikTok. You can be whatever you want, and you can float yourself. And here there is value, a value that represents what you are doing, how you are engaging with your fans, right? It doesn't depend on your boss, you know. It really does not depend on your boss. Your boss is there. The boss of TikTok, it can give you input and all that. But end of the day, it is all about you, right? It is all about you. And look at that. So this is how it changes life. What else does this change life in? Look, if you have kids, okay, a lot of you have kids now, right? A lot of you have kids. If they are NBA fans, and if they are Major League Baseball fans, I don't know if they are because we're in this region of Southeast Asia, but never mind. I'm sure there's something similar to MLB. Look, you know when you guys were little, did you guys collect the cards? I'm sure you guys collected the cards. Now you can collect with them. And look, how much are the cards? Like $4.99. And how much is Top Shot? Like $9.99, right? The cheapest one. You can buy more expensive like that. Look at that. Isn't that cheap? Isn't that for family thing? But look, once you do it this way, you know what? This thing won't be lost. And they grow up, and these cards are always on the blockchain. You know how much these cards can go up by, right? These cards can go up by a lot. Suddenly, without you even realizing, you have a college fund. Kids, if you guys are listening to this, I want you to guys to go to college, okay? This is not to go to college right here, right? And you talk about people playing with what? Axie Infinity, right? This is proven, guys. There are people in the Philippines playing with Axie Infinity and supporting themselves. Anton, you want to be King Kong? Okay, fine. Anton is Anton Kong. Yeah, you can be anything. Guys, you can be anything. And this is what is happening. And now we go to adult stuff. What if you want to keep money? What if you want to keep money? You do not have to go to all those low interest rates that we have here in Malaysia. I'm sure you have that in your country too. You can buy UST which is from Luna, right? Galaxy Digital. And Galaxy Digital, of course, has a what? Galaxy Digital has an ETF in where? And they're applying for an ETF in the USA, and they also have an ETF in Canada. You can apply for that, and you get like 20% per annum. Guys, this is another world. Are you engaging with this world? Or are you just like, you're taking a long time to do that? And I want you to think that now. Because next week we're going to talk about animals. Next week we're going to the animal kingdoms. We're going to make it early. We're going to make it to the zoo, okay? To the zoo, because today I heard Paul talk about what? Talk about jaguars. Talk what else? Hunting dog, jaguars. What was the other one? I forgot the other one. Yeah, jaguars, hunting dog. He didn't talk about polar bear, right? So next week, we're going to go to the animal kingdom. But just remember, guys, you are the king. Because if you look at like this, guess what? I am possible. I am the king. Hold the line, guys. Hold the line. See you guys next week.